With every generation of computers, there was a major development in technology. As a result, computers became smaller, cheaper, and more powerful. Computers are classified into different generations based on the technologies used to design them. First generation computers 1940 to 1956. First generation computers were used between 1940 and 1956. An arrangement of vacuum tubes was used in these computers. Some features of the first generation computers are as follows. They were very heavy and large in size. They were expensive and slow. They consumed a lot of electricity which generated a lot of heat. Their programming capacity was very low. Inputs were given in the form of punched cards and paper tapes. EDVAC Mark I, ENIAC, EDSAC, and ENIVAC 1 are some examples of first generation computers. First generation computers EDAC Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Inventor John Presper, Eckert, and John Mauchly. Year 1944. Features: weighed approximately 8,000 kilograms. Stored both programs and data. First electronic computer to use binary system. Mark I. Inventor Howard Aiken. Year 1944. Features: first fully automatic calculator, slow in performing calculations. ENIAC Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Inventor John Presper, Eckert, and John Mauchly. Year 1946. Features: weighed more than 27,000 kilograms. First programmable general purpose electronic digital computer capable of solving a wide range of numerical problems. Had no stored programs. EDSAC Electronic Delay Storage Automatic Calculator. Inventor Professor Wilkes. Year 1949. Features: weighed approximately 6,000 kilograms. First full-size stored program computer. ENIVAC 1 Universal Automatic Computer 1. Inventor John Presper, Eckert, and John Mauchly. Year 1951. Features: weighed approximately 13,000 kilograms. Second commercially available electronic computer. Handled both numbers and alphabetic characters properly. Second generation computers 1956 to 1964. Second generation computers were used between 1956 and 1964. In these computers, transistors were soldered to circuit board. Some features of the second generation computers are as follows. They were smaller, cheaper, and faster than first generation computers. Inputs were given in the form of punched cards and printouts were received as output. High-level programming languages like COBOL and BASIC were developed in this generation. A transistor is an electronic device used to control the flow of electricity in an electronic equipment. ENIAC 1401, IBM 700, CDC 160, and IBM 1401 are some examples of second generation computers. Third generation computers 1964 to 1975. Third generation computers were used between 1964 and 1975. Integrated circuits were used instead of transistors in these computers. Some features of the third generation computers are as follows. They were smaller, cheaper, faster, and more accurate than second generation computers. These computers could execute any type of application and were called general purpose computers. Keyboards were used to input data and monitors were used as output device. They had more storage capacity. IBM 360, ICL 1900, and VAX 750 are some examples of the third generation computers. Fourth generation computers 1975 to present. Fourth generation computers were used from 1975 and are being used till present. Microprocessors were used In these computers, some features of the fourth generation computers are as follows. They are smaller, cheaper, and faster than the third generation computers. They are more advanced in terms of processing and memory capacity. They lead to the development of personal computers. They are used as at homes and offices. IBM 4300, ICL 2900, and HP 9000 are some examples of the fourth generation computers. Fifth generation computers. Fifth generation computers are still in development stage, though applications like voice recognition are being used today. The technology used for this generation is artificial intelligence, which is the ability of computers to think and act like humans. The use of parallel processing and superconductors is helping to make artificial intelligence a reality. The goal of fifth generation computing is to develop devices that respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organization. Some of the features of the fifth generation computers are as follows. They are able to think and take decisions like humans. They are intelligent like human beings. They are used in areas like robotics and defense. Generation refers to the advancements in the development of computers. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. The second generation computers used transistors. The third generation computers used integrated circuits. The fourth generation computers used a microprocessor. The fifth generation computing devices based on artificial intelligence are still in development stage.